Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So last class we discussed about that introduction about QPSK. In QPSK, at a time, how many bits are transmitted? In QPSK, how many bits are transmitted at a time? That means the symbol consists of how many bits?
2 bits, madam.
2 bits. Very good. Very good. Whereas in BPSK, only 1 bit is transmitted. In DPSK, only 1 bit is transmitted. DEPSK also only 1 bit is transmitted. Okay. In QPSK, each symbol, that means one symbol, 2 bits, 2 to the power of 2. How many combinations? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So that is the combination of the bits that are transmitted. So that phase difference between symbol to symbol is 90 degrees. That's why this is a quadrature phase shift keying, and that symbol is 45 degrees with the carrier signal. So that's why this is a quadrature phase shift keying. Oh, I am sharing my screen and we will start the lesson. So as today we up to D-type flip-flops are discussed here. This is the block diagram of QPSK transmitter. Please note down. This is an QPSK transmitter block diagram. QPSK transmitter block diagram. So here, please once again look into this one. This is a data signal. Here we can represent V of t also. V of t, because P of t, P naught of t is indicated here. We can indicate that the data signal is an V of t signal. The data signal is an V of t signal. So that is given to this D-type flip-flop 1, D-type flip-flop 2. Here, this is a toggle flip-flop. Input is a clock signal with a TB duration. the output of this flip-flop, toggle flip-flop is produces that even clock and odd clock. That even clock duration is 2 dB. Similar way, the odd clock duration also 2 dB. So here the even clock output is even. Here we can indicate that. Let us assume this is an even Q. Here we can indicate that this is an Q bar opposite. Hmm? Like this. So at that positive going edge only.
మేడం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారండి మేడం యాడ్ చేసుకో
Address. So the D-type flip-flop that can be activated only here, that is a positive going edge. So here, then if this is a D-type flip-flop is activated during the positive going edge until this can be enabled. So this is an positive. If that is first TB here, this is an activated. Whatever may be that input data that can be available at the output. And then here, and during this one, here we can observe that if that is an on, even clock is on, the D-type flip-flop is on, whatever may be the input is transferred to the output. And whenever the D-type flip-flop 1 is disabled during this off state, at that time the D2 flip-flop that can be enabled, whatever may be the data is present is available at the output of the D-type flip-flop 2. That means each bit duration is TB. So if first TB, so even data, this is indicates that B0 0, that is an even data, B1 odd data. So this is even data. So here that can be given to both the sides. First data ఇవ్వగానే 0, ఫస్ట్ డేటా అనేది ఈ బ్రాంచ్కి వస్తుంది, దిస్ బ్రాంచ్కి వస్తుంది. కానీ D-type flip-flop 2 is an off state at this time, and only D-type flip-flop is 1. Therefore, the event data is available at this D-type flip-flop 1 during this TB duration. That means event clock is an on duration, the output is available, event data only available at the D-type flip-flop. After TB, that D-type flip-flop is 1 is disabled during this second DB. So this odd clock is enabled. At that time, this is off, and D-type flip-flop 2 is on. Then next data bit, that is the odd data. The odd data is available at the second DB. So here after that, this B of t is given to this multiplier. So any multiplier has the two inputs. One input is an data bit, another one is a carrier signal. Root of PS cos omega naught t here. And here also the odd bit data is multiplied with the carrier. The carrier is root of PS is the amplitude, and sin omega naught t, sin omega naught t. Then both the outputs of multiplier 1 and multiplier 2 are added together. Here we can add these two signals. We can add these two signals. Then the output of this is the output of this is a QPSK signal. Output of that is QPSK signal. QPSK signal P Q P SK of T. Okay, so here, so in first first TB, the event data, and in second TB, the odd data are transmitted here. 2 TB that can be occupied here, that can be added together, you will get the QPSK signal. Then here you can write the equation for the QPSK signal is addition of the outputs of the both the multipliers. Multiplier 1, here you can indicate this is a multiplier 1, this is a multiplier 2. The equation for QPSK signal QPSK of T equal to root of BA of T into root of PS cos omega naught T plus B naught of T root of PS sin omega naught T. So this is the equation for QPSK. Hello, my voice is audible to you? Hello.
Yes,
My screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Follow Narani? Are you followed my lesson? So are you understand what is the equation for QPSK?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is an offset QPSK transmitter. Offset means here in this case, here the data bits are there here. If that is next symbol, here we can indicate that during this data transmission here, first bit transmission, the next bit is appear, and that means after this transmission here you can indicate that this one after completion of this one, and the next bit that can be changed. So one here, the one here, one is there, another one is there here. At a time two are not changed. That means if 1 0 is transmitted, after that the total another symbol that can be transmitted, that is a non-offset one. Not like that in offset QPSK, 0 transmitted and 1 transmitted. So that is a continuous process here. That is after a transmit, both two are considered as a symbol. During this second end of this bit, the next one goes to next one. This is a continuous process. Whereas in non-offset one, first two bits are transmitted, after go to the next two bits. That is an after transmitting this one only to go for next one. But in this case, one after one that can be transmitted. But here we can consider here the first two bits can be indicates, and the next 2 bits that can be indicates as a symbol only. Okay, that is an offset QPSK. This is a non-offset QPSK. This block diagram is an offset QPSK. Then now we will draw the graphical representation of or phasor diagram of this equation QPSK. Then here you can understand what is the angles between each symbols and what is the angle between that symbol with respect to carrier. Okay, so please concentrate on this one. So first here, please note down graphical representation or phasor diagram of QPSK signal. Phasor diagram of or graphical representation of phasor diagram of QPSK signal. So please listen carefully. Then here B of T is the even data. B naught of T is the odd data. Even data and odd data. Otherwise here this is an even data and pattern B of T. This is a B naught of T. First even kabatti even data and odd data. Here let us assume if B of T is minus 1 volt, that means 0. Minus 1 volt indicates that logic is 0. Here we can indicate that this is an plus 1 volt. This is equal to logic 1. Hello? Am I any disturbance to you? My voice is audible to you clearly?
Yes, madam. Clear, madam. Clear, madam.
అలాంటి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ లేదుగా మీకు?
No, madam.
లేదు మేడం.
ఓకే. Then here we can write the QPSK signal equation. Here V of T is minus 1 ante minus root of PS cos omega naught T. V naught of T plus root of PS sin omega naught. Similar way, V naught of T is plus 1 volt. This is an again plus 1. The equation is for this case root of PS cos omega naught T root of PS sin omega naught T. Then minus 1 volt plus 1 mole. This indicates that this corresponding equation is root of Ps cos omega naught t minus root of Ps sin omega naught t. Then minus 1 volt. This is a minus 1 volt. At that time, the equations are minus root of Ps cos omega naught t minus root of Ps sin omega naught. Now, we can draw the phasor diagram by using these equations. Here we can draw the phasor diagram. We can first, what is the equation here we can understand? Root of, one is the cos omega naught t, one carrier. Another one is the sin omega naught is the another carrier. The cos omega naught t is the in phase component. That's why here we can draw this cos omega naught t. This is a positive direction. This is root of Ps cos omega naught t. Okay. Similar way here we can draw. This is opposite direction. Here we can indicate that this is center. Opposite direction. Here we can indicate minus root of Ps sin omega naught t. Then here in this case we can represent, this is an already you drawn the phasor diagram for frequency modulated signal, amplitude modulated signal. According to this one, this is the root of Ps sin omega naught t. Please remember. Actually cos omega naught t undi. Opposite sin omega naught t anukuntam. But here can consume. Here that is a minus. Okay. Then the bottom here here you can indicate that this is a root of Ps sin omega naught t. Okay. Hello. Hello. My voice is audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
ఫాలో అవుతున్నారమ్మా? డ్రా చేసుకుంటున్నారా? ఈక్వేషన్స్ రాసుకుంటున్నారా?
వస్తున్నా మేడం.
ఓకే. మీకు డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంటే నాకు చెప్పండి, నేను స్టాప్ చేసి మళ్ళీ తర్వాత చెప్తాను. ఇక్కడ వర్క్ జరుగుతుంది.
అలో చేయమంటున్నారు.
అమ్మా
అలో చేయమంటున్నారు.
నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు, చెప్పండి.
ఎలా
చేయమంటారు? నా వాయిస్ క్లియర్ గానే ఉందా మీకు? My voice is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can draw the phasor diagram. Now, here you can observe that what is the first equation. Tell me what is the first equation? Minus root of ps cos omega naught t plus root of ps sin omega naught t. Here we can observe that the components here. What are the components here? Minus root of ps cos omega naught t. So, ఒక్కసారి చూడండి అమ్మా, మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఇది కాస్ ఒమేగా నాట్ టీ కదా, ఇది చూడండి, ఇది కాస్, so first equation is minus root of ps cos omega naught t, this one, and plus root of ps sin omega naught t, this one. Here we can draw the resultant signal, resultant. These two are vectors. Then here we can draw the resultant. We can extend this vector. Similarly here also we can extend this vector. Then here can draw this resultant like this, straight line draw చేయండి. So this is the resultant, and that means addition of these two signals. So here what is that status here, bit status? V naught of t equal to $1 volt, that means logic 1. V of t equal to -1, that is a 0. కింద రాయండి voltage values. So this is an -1 volt. Here this is an +1 volt for this case. So this is the phasor diagram for a graphical representation of the first equation. For the second equation, both are positive. We can draw the resultant for this one. Similarly here we can draw this vector. This is the resultant of this one. So for this case, V naught of t, odd, V naught is always odd, equal to 0, that is -1 volt. V of t 0, sorry +1 కదా, ప్లస్ కాబట్టి ప్లస్, positive, plus here +1 volt, here 1 +1 volt. Similar way here also the resultant one is this one. This is V naught of t -1 volt, V of t equal to 1 volt. Similar way here also resultant, here we can draw this one. This is an addition of these two, that is V naught of t equal to minus 1 volt, V of t equal to minus 1 volt. So this is the phasor diagram for QPSK signal. Okay? Are you understand how we can draw the phasor diagram according to the equations? Emma, are you understand? Hello, respond only. Phasor diagram ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తాను అర్థమైందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
గర్ల్స్
మేడం ఎలా చేయమన్నారు మేడం?
ఎలా చేస్తాను ఏమ్మా గర్ల్స్ కి అర్థమైందా? గర్ల్స్ ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. Now, here we can observe that, please listen carefully here. This is the one of the crucial point from this one. Please, this is a carrier signal. This is V naught of t. V naught of t is minus 1 volt, V of t is plus 1 volt here. That is the resultant one. This is with respect to this carrier, the angle is 45 degrees, 5 by 4. That is an 45 degrees. And here we can observe that these two are the symbols. This is the two symbols, and the next one is these two symbols. The distance between, angle between these two 90 degrees adjacent, and here also 90 degrees. Here also that angle between these two are 90 degrees, and here also we can indicate that this is a 90 degrees. And here for first symbol, this is a 0 1 combination. 0 1 is the symbol combination. The carrier signal is 45, that is a symbol carrier, that is an 45 degrees from that actual carrier signal. Here let us assume this is actual carrier. If that is 0 1 is transmitted, the carrier is shifted to 45 degrees. Okay. Then here we can observe that if this is an another one, if that is V naught of t is 0, V of t is 0, 0 0 combination, the carrier is shifted to, this is a 90 plus 45, 135 degrees to the reference carrier. We can consider this is the reference. This is the reference. ఈ reference carrier ki 135 degrees undali. Then this is an 10. If the symbol is an 10, carrier frequency anta pettukovali phase angle again 135 ki 90 degrees add cheyali. Here we can indicate that this is an angle, and the 135 plus 90, 5 to 225. This angle is 225 degrees. And again this one, for this case, for reference one, this is an 1 logic is there. The change of the carrier phase is 225 plus again 90. 5, 1, 3, 315. That is an 315. Now here tabular column. So here B naught of T, BA of T, and phase angle of the carrier. Phase angle of the carrier from reference carrier signal. The reference carrier signal. So here we can observe that if please 0 1 B naught of T is 0, B of T is 1, B of T is 1. What is the phase angle? Enta chappal naku. How much that phase angle with reference carrier? Please tell me. Please respond. Hello?
45 degrees, ma'am.
Very good. That is then 45 degrees. 45 degrees ante manam 5 by 4. Next 0 0. Here this is 0. This is 0. Enta 135. 135 ante 135 degrees. Enta 3 pi by 4 135. I think 3 pi by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next. Next. 1 0 225 degrees. 5 pi by 4. Next one is a 1 1. So that is a 315 degrees. That is a 7 pi by 4. Pi by 4. So like this here, these are the phase angles according to that symbols. Here symbols. Okay, let us assume the data is like this. Please, data is like this: 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 is the data signal. Here we can consider two bits: 0 1 0 0 1 0, like this. Okay. Here,
Madam, action work, madam.
action. Then here, what is the angle of the carrier signal? Carrier signal angle ela pettukuntaru. So here this is an carrier signal. Let us assume this is an carrier signal. Whatever will be a carrier signal. So first 0-1 combination ఉంది కాబట్టి phase angle ఎంత ఉండాలి? 0-1 45 degrees. So here the phase angle is in 45 degrees. ఇక్కడ 45 degrees పెట్టుకుంటారు. 0-0 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 135 degrees phase angle. 1-0 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారు? 225 degrees పెట్టుకుంటారు. 1-1 ఉన్నది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఎంత పెట్టుకుంటారు? 3-1 degrees phase angle పెట్టుకుని సిగ్నల్ ని ట్రాన్స్మిట్ చేస్తారు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ an QPSK. సో ఎనీ కాంబినేషన్ 2 bits కన్సిడర్ చేసి ది కాంబినేషన్ తీసుకొని 0-1 45 degrees, 0-0 135 degrees, so 1-0 225 degrees, 1-1 350, 315 degrees phase angle పెట్టుకుని have to transmit the signal, carrier signal. Okay, here this is an signal and 180 degrees అంటే పూర్తిగా ఎలా వస్తే 180 degrees, here ఎలా వస్తే 180 degrees. జీరో ఫేజ్ యాంగిల్ ఉన్నది అనుకోండి 180 degrees అంటే డెడ్ ఆపోజిట్ అయితే 180 degrees. నెగిటివ్ పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్కి పాజిటివ్ వస్తే 180 degrees అన్నట్టు. మళ్ళీ దానికి 45 degrees అంటే ఎలా పెట్టుకోవాలి? 180 degrees వరకు వెళ్ళకూడదు. సో లైక్ దట్ హియర్ we can approximate that one, then we can draw the waveforms. Okay, are you understand how to allot that phase angles for that one? ఏమా అర్థమైందా ఎలా ఫేజ్ యాంగిల్స్ పెట్టుకోవాలో?
Yes, ma'am.
Girls also. This is very, very important. Okay, na? Okay. అందరూ ఇవి నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా? ఈక్వేషన్స్, ఈ ఫేజర్ డయాగ్రాము, ఆ యాంగిల్స్ అన్నీ నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా? సో ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్. ఇవి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో కూడా ఇంత ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇవ్వరండి. ప్లీజ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నోట్ చేసుకుని ఫేజర్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఎలా డ్రా చేసామో ఏంటో అనేది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆల్సో నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Once you understand this one, the further modulation techniques are very, very easy to draw the phasor diagrams, constellation diagrams, and you have to find out the resultant ones. చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా వస్తాయి రిలేటెడ్ టు దిస్ వన్. సో డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయండి మీకు? ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఏమా డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? Shall we stop here? Anybody have any doubts? Okay. Thank you. Next class onwards, we discuss about the waveforms related to QPSK and receiver block diagram. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Thank you, Amma. Please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.